Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a wise old man named Anand. Anand was known far and wide for his wisdom and kindness. He had a reputation for helping people in need and offering valuable advice. One sunny morning, a young woman named Meera approached Anand with a look of despair on her face. She said, "Oh, wise Anand, I have lost my most precious possession, a golden coin that my grandmother gave me. I have searched everywhere, but I cannot find it. What should I do?" Anand smiled and said, "Do not worry, Meera. I will help you find your lost coin. But first, we must do something. Gather all your friends and neighbors in the village at the village square." Meera did as Anand instructed, and soon a crowd had gathered. Anand stood before them and said, "Today, we will help Meera find her lost coin. But to do so, we must work together. Each one of you will take a broom and sweep a part of the village square. While doing so, keep your eyes open for the golden coin." Everyone in the village eagerly joined in. They swept the square meticulously, and as they did, they noticed how dirty and neglected the square had become over time. They found not only Meera's lost coin, but also other lost items like keys, earrings, and small toys. When the square was clean and the lost items were collected, Anand addressed the crowd once more. He said, "Today, we not only found Meera's lost coin, but also many other lost possessions. More importantly, we worked together to make our village square cleaner and more beautiful. This teaches us a valuable lesson. Sometimes, in helping others, we also help ourselves and our community." The villagers nodded in agreement and thanked Anand for his wisdom. Meera, with tears of joy in her eyes, said, "Thank you, Anand, for helping me find my coin and for teaching us all such an important lesson." From that day forward, the villagers realized the power of coming together and helping one another. They made it a tradition to clean the village square regularly, fostering a strong sense of community and unity. And so, the moral of the story is that in helping others, we often find what we seek, and we create a stronger and more connected community in the process.